आप अज्यूम कर रहे हो कि मैंने इतना अच्छा खाना बनाया, किसी ने अप्रिशिएट क्यों नहीं किया? We don't have conversation even in our intimate relationships. इतनी देर की वो इमोशन सप्रेस की हुई है, एटलीस्ट पब्लिकली.
Yes.
Transformation, please understand, means transform.
Yeah.
The form needs to change. There is no freedom if you don't have an exit door.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Rewire with Dr. Tamanna, where we talk about healing, growth and transformation. Today we are joined by a very inspiring force in the world of leadership and women empowerment. आज हमारे साथ हैं एक leadership coach who has years of global experience guiding senior executives across various industries. She is not only a leadership coach but also a passionate advocate for women empowerment. Her mission is to help women lead from the inside out. I really hope this conversation could reach out to the women who are struggling professionally or personally or mentally due to their belief systems. A very warm welcome, Coach Navneet Sandhu.
Thank you.
We are so honored to have someone who wears many hats. You are a leadership coach, a mentor, a mother, and you work so closely with different age groups of women. So tell us what the women of today are struggling with.
So, first of all, thank you for having me here. It's really my pleasure to be here, and especially the topic that we have chosen is very close to me. So, I do work a lot with women of all age groups.
Okay.
So, I would say from university students to working women across the different levels of management and leadership. And of course, I talk to women who are not working as well,
Okay.
and who are homemakers or they have chosen some other hobbies to keep themselves busy.
Right.
So, your question, what are the issues that women face? Tamanna, I would say it depends on what age the woman is in.
Okay.
So, if I look at university students, usually the young girl is worried about, what her future looks like. They are looking at what profession they want to pursue. If they
Right.
already have that in mind, how would that fan out,
Right.
etc. And basically how are they going to deal with the pressure of academics, and where would that lead them, right?
Okay.
When I talk about the young women who have already in the workforce, let's say, they are struggling with what my future profession looks like, what is the right path. Middle management women in their maybe 30s and 40s are looking for something a little bit more stable. Some of them might have young families, so they are struggling with a lot of work life balance at that stage.
Right.
And then when I look at older women
Right.
who are well established into their careers and, of course, experience of life, maybe in their 40s, 50s or so, I see a different phase altogether there,
Right.
right? And that's a phase that women start enjoying more. They know themselves, they're very comfortable in their skin, and it's a pleasure to talk to them. I think a lot of stress, a lot of expectation handling,
Right.
a lot of trying to prove themselves,
Right.
right? And in the bargain, going through a lot of probably overthinking is another thing we very commonly see in women. तो I think ये common factors हैं जो हम देखते हैं, और इन फैक्टर्स के पीछे भी रीजंस हैं.
Right.
कंडीशनिंग है, द वे यू हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप इन योर लाइफ, आपके प्रेजेंट सर्कमस्टांसेस क्या हैं, वहाँ आपको सपोर्ट कितनी मिल रही है, कितना आप स्ट्रगल अकेले कर रहे हो. तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ मल्टी लेयर्ड थिंग दैट आई सी हैपनिंग देयर.
तो हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप स्टार्ट करते हैं. I would like to start with the married woman
Okay.
who is struggling in their life to balance personally and professionally. तो क्या कहेंगे आप उन वुमेन को जो करियर में बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हैं बट दे हैव सोसाइटल एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ बीइंग अ मदर, ऑफ बीइंग अ वाइफ, एंड इतनी सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस के तले इतना बर्डन है, तो वो कैसे मैनेज करे?
देखो, प्रेशर तो है तमन्ना, और आजकल द लाइफ दैट वी आर लीडिंग, right? And I would include the men here also, both
Right.
men and women. It is very fast paced, right?
Right.
And there is almost a hustle culture जिसको मैं कहती हूँ, राइट?
Yeah.
हासिल का मतलब कि हर कोई वो एक रैट रेस में लगा हुआ है कि
Right.
यू नो एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू अर्न बेटर, लिव बेटर, हैव मोर थिंग्स इन लाइफ।
Right.
सो उसमें क्या होता है कि स्ट्रेस कम्स एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट, राइट?
Right.
तो वो प्लस लाइक आई मेंशन्ड अ लिटिल अर्लियर, एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहती हैं हर एक की तरफ से। what I have come to know from my own experience, as well as I mean talking to thousands of women over the years,
Hmm.
is that I think थोड़ी women पे pressure ज़्यादा रहता है,
Right.
क्योंकि expectations ज़्यादा हैं।
Hmm.
She is juggling a lot of things,
Right.
right? अगर married है जैसे आपने बोला, तो husband, if they have young kids,
Right.
if it is a joint family, they are managing extended family,
Hmm.
right? Um, आप इतना ही अंदाजा लगा लो ना तमन्ना, इन द एवरेज हाउस होल्ड in this part of the
Hmm.
world, I would say even globally, because I work a lot with global clients as well, you know, it is usually seen कि अगर बच्चा बीमार हो जाए या कोई एल्डर बीमार हो
Hmm.
जाए, तो who is going to take time off to
Hmm.
you know take that person to a
Hmm.
doctor?
Yeah.
Invariably it's the woman,
It's the woman.
right? It's rarely the man,
Right.
right?
Right.
So वो extra pressures आ जाते
Right.
हैं,
I
घर को
think
कैसे संभाल,
unsaid expectations सारी women से ही आ जाती हैं.
वो है प्रेशर तो है
Hmm.
डेफिनेटली, एंड शी इज जगलिंग वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कैसे करना
Hmm.
है। एंड इन ऑल ऑफ दिस आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट अ लॉट ऑफ वुमेन फॉरगेट इज दे फॉरगेट देमसेल्व्स,
Right.
राइट? वो अपने
Right.
आप को भूल जाती हैं। दे जस्ट स्टार्ट लीडिंग अ लाइफ विच इज फॉर अदर पीपल,
Right.
राइट? अब मैंने
Right.
बच्चों के लिए ये करना है, मैंने हस्बैंड के लिए ये करना है, मैंने अपनी फैमिली के लिए ये करना है, इन लॉज के लिए ये करना है,
Hmm.
राइट? और वो अगर वर्किंग भी है,
Hmm.
फिर भी आई हियर अ लॉट ऑफ नैरेटिव सेइंग के मैम मैंने ना आई नीड टू डू दिस बिकॉज माई बॉस वांट्स दिस, या
Right.
मेरी टीम की ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है, राइट?
Right.
बट आई कीप टेलिंग देम, वेयर आर यू इन दिस?
Right.
They never talk about themselves, which I find is something that needs to change.
I think हमारी conditioning ऐसे की गई है that we have become a giver.
Yes.
In every domain, we have become a giver.
Yeah.
And also, if we work equally to the men, we are paid less.
Yes.
That
There
is another
lot of
area.
professions where we see that gender
Gender
parity
bias, we
yeah,
can say.
correct.
Yes. So to overcome that, क्या ऐसी conditioning है या belief systems हैं जो women को overcome करने चाहिए?
तो उससे पहले तमन्ना, आई वुड लाइक टू लुक एट के व्हाट गिव्स राइज टू दिस कॉजेज समझने जरूरी हैं,
Right.
क्योंकि जब तक आप उसको नहीं समझोगे तो आप यू नो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड इट,
बिल्कुल.
राइट? तो अगर हम देखें a girl child,
Right.
you know, when she is brought up in an average family,
Right.
there are usually 3-4 things that we see very common, even in today's date, right? One, there is a social conditioning
Right.
जो उसकी मदर के भी probably हो चुकी है कि लड़की है तो इसको थोड़ा सा ना आपको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना, right? So in that protection and safety garb, you
Right.
know, what happens is that a lot of her independence is lost. And I don't mean independence only, you know, in terms of not being safe, but I mean independence as in her ability to think independent, right? To make her own choices.
Yeah.
To understand the difference between if something happens to her, out of the choices that she has, which will work for her. So usually when we see a girl child commonly brought up in this kind of a background, research tells us कि वो जो उसका outcome होगा ना, broadly दो तरीकों का होता है, right? One is either the girl child will conform कि this is
This
after
is my life.
हाँ, after trying a few times, maybe she will question the mother, she might question the father, she might question the society, पर वो accept कर लेगी कि this is how it is because that is the narrative told to her, and again this is repeated, right?
So basically, she's controlled in the name of protection.
That is true. As a child, it helps her, but once she gets to a stage where she has to make her choices,
Right.
right? जहाँ पे उसने subjects शायद choose करने हैं 10th के
Right.
बाद, जहाँ पे उसने एक profession choose करना
Right.
है, क्योंकि आजकल तो mostly ये भी expectation हो गई है कि she should be working,
Yes.
right? पहले ये नहीं हुआ करती थी.
Right.
So वहाँ पे जब आ जाती हैं, she needs help then because she's become dependent on someone else guiding her
Right.
and helping her. That individual critical thinking or working through problems, that part of the brain is not developed.
Right.
Now, as I was saying, the second part,
Hmm.
कई तो conform कर जाएंगी. The second is they become rebellious.
Right. So
We
true.
see a lot of girl child who have become rebellious. So you see a typical, rebellion kind of behavior in teenagers, young women, even, seeping over to their professional work.
Right.
वो एक और है. वो then you have to deal with them accordingly.
Right.
Yeah. So
Right.
those were the two basic buckets there.
राइट बेसिकली आई फील कि हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम इतना कन्फाइंड रह जाता है कि हमें और चॉइसेस हमें पता ही नहीं चलती
Hmm.
तो अब ना एक कन्फ्लिक्टेड स्टेट आ गई है कि ना हम उतने उस कल्चर में हैं जहाँ
Hmm.
हमें कुछ करना नहीं है जहाँ हमें घर पे रहना है घर के काम करने हैं और ना हम उस कल्चर में हैं कि हमें घर का कोई प्रेशर नहीं है और हमें करियर में एक्सेल करना है सो वी आर इन अ वेरी कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड स्टेटस
Hmm.
तो हमें घर भी मैनेज करना है, हमें करियर में भी एक्सेल करना है, हमें अपने किड्स को भी मैनेज करना है। तो आई थिंक ये बहुत मेंटल प्रेशर क्रिएट करता होगा वुमेन पर, करता है आई एम श्योर। क्या सही रहता है? कैसे हम करें कि अपने करियर को भी ध्यान दें और इवन मेन
Hmm.
मेन को कितना सपोर्ट करना चाहिए टू वुमेन, एल्डर वुमेन हु हैज लिव्ड हर लाइफ उनको अपनी डॉटर या डॉटर इन लॉ को किस तरह से सपोर्ट करना चाहिए to so that she can live a different life
Hmm.
what her mother have lived or what her mother-in-law have lived.
It's a very good question, right?
Right.
And it's a very thought provoking question,
Right.
right? I'm sure there are a lot of young girls and women out there going through something like that, and they want some answers, they want
Right.
some solutions. And a lot of my work is around that with women, right? इसको ना तमन्ना हम थोड़ा समझते हैं,
Right.
राइट? तो एक तो जो मैंने अभी बोला कि थोड़ी कंडीशनिंग है वैसी, एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं वैसी, बट आई फील के आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट के जो अब यंग पेरेंट्स हैं,
Hmm.
please do not differentiate so much between the boy and the girl,
Right.
right? The girls, the way the life is,
Hmm.
the girls are expected to do almost everything that a boy will do, right?
Right.
It made sense in the olden days because the girls were basically the end result was she has to get married,
Hmm.
she has to go to another house, and she should be able to adjust there.
Right.
So that's why the values and the beliefs were being instilled at that level. But up the things have changed, right? So please bring your girl child to be an independent thinking person. That is very important,
Right.
right? Now, for those who are already in the adult stage and have been brought up like that, now you see you're no longer a child. So you have to take responsibility for your own mental well-being,
Right.
for your own work-life balance, and how do you want to live your life.
Hmm.
It should not be necessarily dictated by other people,
Right.
right? I'm not saying कि बिल्कुल ही rebellious हो जाओ, that is something I won't say,
Okay.
but I also say कि कहीं पे you should know कि कितना मैंने क्या, what is it that I really want to push for, and what is it I
Also,
don't.
what do I want?
What do I want? Correct.
Like, is it making me happy?
Yes.
Is right now, if I really want to be a mother, if I really want to do this job which is not making me happy.
Yeah. So वहाँ पे I think there comes the bigger issue that we have to call out, I think, which is that a lot of people I find are still, conducted by log kya kahenge, that proverbial Indian, way of looking at things. So ek to, more than education, still I find a lot of parents think ke iski शादी करनी है. So they'll rather spend on her wedding than invest in her. And basically, I think education is an investment, and I am a big proponent of education,
Right.
because education opens your mind to
Right.
other things, right? वो आपको expand करता है.
बिल्कुल.
That's very important. So once you are in that situation, please, I would like to give a little bit of clarity there कि आप
Okay.
क्या कर सकते हो by
Right.
yourself, because I always feel कि practical बात करनी चाहिए, not just what is bookish. So there are three basic stages that you have to look at, right?
Right.
Stage number 1 is, what is my current reality? ठीक है, मुझे किन चीजों से इरिटेशन होती है, गुस्सा आता है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू compromise or bring my mind around it.
Hmm.
So write it down. I think
Okay.
it's very important for people to write things down, whether you write it down digitally
Okay.
or you do it the old way
Okay.
with a pen and paper, but please write it down,
Okay.
because it has been proved that when you write something down rather than just keeping it in your mind, it makes a lot of difference, right?
Journaling जैसे कह लो.
Journaling किसे कह लो, या even just writing down in bullet points is
Okay.
fine, right? What am I feeling? What am I thinking?
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
What does it do to me? Right?
Okay.
Right? When I
How does it make you feel?
correct.
Okay.
So जैसे मैंने कहा feelings भी describe, does it make you angry? Does it make you helpless? Does it make you irritable?
Hmm.
You know, what is it that it is doing to you?
Hmm.
Right? Then what are some of the triggers that you have?
Hmm.
ट्रिगर मीनिंग कि अगर किसी ने कुछ मुझे बोला
Hmm.
या किसी ने कुछ किसी तरह मुझे एक बिहेवियर दिखाया,
Hmm.
तो उससे इट एक्टिवेट्स एन इमोशन इन मी, दैट इज अ ट्रिगर, right?
Yeah.
And most likely that trigger probably in such situations that we are talking is not a positive one, right?
Yeah.
क्योंकि positive को हम glimmer बोलते हैं,
Okay.
right? It's
Yes.
the opposite of
Yeah.
trigger, right? So trigger means it's creating an emotion which might not be very pleasant. तो वो भी लिखिए,
Hmm.
right? Each one of us, including you and me, we have our triggers.
So we have to write the trigger.
Correct.
We have to name the emotion as
We
well.
have to name the emotion because you cannot, वो कहते हैं ना, name it to tame it,
Yeah.
right? You have to identify it first. नहीं तो
Yeah.
आप हवा में बात कर रहे हो, उससे
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं होने वाला,
कि
right?
what is making you cry? What is making you sad? What is making
Exactly.
you angry?
Exactly what is making you. It's not the end product. It
Hmm.
is something that happens. So try to reflect on the, ये self awareness piece है, right? And it's huge. Even when I work with leaders, I do the same thing. I say write it down, identify कि आपको क्या हो रहा है, and every person responds differently. आपका individual है वो, तो वो लिखो, right? अब आपको जब अपने triggers आपने identify कर लिए, now your next question obviously is, how do I deal with it?
Yeah.
Right? And the second phase now starts when this happens to me in a particular conversation or in a particular situation, right? How am I going to deal with it? Right? And that how is again very individual. How will you control yourself for those triggers, for example? How would you deal or manage those triggers?
Yeah.
You know, I'm not saying control is a very strong word, but how would you manage those triggers? Is there certain cues you can give yourself? कि मुझे ये करना है. तो मैं आपको एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ, तमन्ना. I work a lot, not just at a mind level, but I work a lot with people at the body level as well,
Okay.
right?
Right.
तो उसमें क्या होता है कि your body is the storage of your memories,
Right.
right? तो हमें लगता है कि our executive center is the brain and it's all around the brain, but actually our body is also a very intelligent being, right? So आपकी body को याद रहता है. Now the interesting thing is कि body is always in the present,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Brain can go in the past,
Right.
it can go in the future, and it can be in the present. Body is always in the
In the
present. So
present.
body is an excellent cue
Okay.
to take कि
Yeah.
अभी मेरे साथ क्या हो
क्या
रहा
हो
है.
रहा है?
So जब आप body sensations को समझ
Aware
हो जाते हैं, तो आप अपने triggers के aware हो जाते हैं और आपको समझ आ जाती है. In fact, you get so good at it कि इससे पहले कि वो full fledged एक emotion बने, you can catch it and you can
There's
deal
a
with
book
it.
also, Body Keeps the Score.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
It does. Absolutely. So I think that is a very important piece, right? Once you've identified them, now you have to, I think, move out and imagine what is the end result you're looking for. And इधर मैं एक थोड़ा सा caution और caveat दूंगी कि please do not expect magic to happen.
Yeah.
Right? Because whenever you're dealing with a situation like that, you're dealing with probably one or more human being also at the other end. So एक और concept है तमन्ना कि we all have masculine and feminine energies.
Right.
Right? So masculine energies usually होती है, you know, decision making, you know,
Controlling. Leading.
मतलब
We can
leading कह लो, या you know, just being confident
Yeah.
and you know, speaking your mind and things. Traditionally, historically, that's what it is. Now feminine energies की बात करो तो feminine energies are very powerful.
Yeah.
Right? Empathy, for example.
Yeah.
Right? Compassion, for example. Right? The ability to have collaboration. right?
Ability to receive.
The ability to receive
Yeah.
and give, nurturing,
Yeah.
Now, these are
Nurturing.
traditionally feminine powers, right?
Yeah.
Now, you are a mix of both of them.
Right.
It is just कि हो सकता है because of that conditioning
Yeah.
and your circumstances, आपका वो balance हिल गया है.
Right.
तो आपने फेमिनिन को ज्यादा वो कर दिया है एंड मैस्कुलिन शायद कम हो गई
हाँ.
है, राइट?
ऑल्सो आज की एज में हसल कल्चर में मुझे लगता है कि मस्कुलिन ज्यादा एक्टिवेट हो गई
वो
है,
भी है.
हाइपर मस्कुलिन हो गए हैं, वी वांट टू गो आउट, वी वांट टू लीड, और इमोशंस को कम देखते हैं, सो फेमिनिन कहीं पीछे रह गया है.
आपने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला तमन्ना. आई सी बोथ दोज टाइप्स ऑफ
ओके.
women. So I see women who are highly feminine
ओके.
and they have devoted their time, energy, resource to that. That's how
Okay.
they are living, and
Okay.
the masculine part is missing.
ओके.
So when it comes to making the right choices for themselves, they are not able
दे आर
to make.
नॉट एबल टू.
And I have seen the other also,
ओके.
right? Where women they're trying to actually imbibe more of the masculine
Masculine
energy because they feel in order to be successful in life, that's the part that
Yeah.
that needs to come in more,
Yeah.
right? And I would say somewhere that is also not completely true,
राइट.
right? Especially when you come to a stage, and I will say here, especially senior leaders, even startups, kuch
Yeah.
bhi le lo. Even
Yeah.
if you look at any, not even just a like a Fortune 500 company, but I'm talking just
Anyone who is hustling hard, trying
any
hard.
leadership role,
Yeah.
right? In any kind of industry maybe.
Yeah.
You see, if you are a woman,
Yeah.
by nature you have been blessed with a certain biochemistry,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
You have been blessed with a certain kind of body.
Yeah.
Please respect it,
Yeah.
because that is where your power resides.
Feminine power here. You're talking
हाँ,
about the
तो अगर आपने
feminine power.
बहुत मैस्कुलिन कर लिया
Yeah.
है और फेमिनिन आपका कम है, तो आपको शायद वो एक बैलेंस लाना भी जरूरी है,
Right.
बिकॉज देर इज इनफ प्रॉब्ली मेल्स इन योर एनवायरमेंट,
Yeah.
राइट? और अगर आप भी मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी से ही उनके साथ डील
Deal
कर
कर
रहे
रही है.
हो, तो that is going to crash. It will
Also,
not work.
you're losing somewhere in the process. You're losing yourself in the process.
Absolutely. आपकी यूनिक आइडेंटिटी कहाँ है
Yeah.
फिर, right?
We're just trying to become like men.
Correct. And I think that doesn't work for most of the women.
Okay.
It might give you some success,
Yeah.
but it will probably not see you till the end, right?
Okay.
And I've seen a lot of senior leaders realize this.
Okay.
Now, coming back to, we are looking at the future, right? And हम देख रहे हैं कि what is it that I'm looking for? And be realistic here. कि मुझे कहाँ balance चाहिए, मुझे क्या चीज़ें important चाहिए. Some things I have to accept and let go also, right? It's a
Yes.
part of life. I think men also do it.
Yeah.
It's not just a woman thing, right?
Yeah.
उसमें आपको बहुत clarity होनी चाहिए कि what is my purpose, what is my objective here, what are the things that I'm going to fight for, and what are the things I'm going to be okay with,
Okay.
right? Or all of these pieces, once you know yourself better, you will be clear हो जाता है. The clarity is what you're seeking, right? उसको भी रखो. Now comes the main part, how am I going to handle it?
So first, थोड़ा सा इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट मुझे जो समझ आ रहा है इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, विच इज सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन.
Yes.
तो हमें सबसे पहले सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्ट करना है. व्हाट डू आई वांट,
Yeah.
हाउ डू आई रिएक्ट टू द सिचुएशंस,
Yeah.
व्हाट आर माय इमोशंस,
Yeah.
व्हाट आर माय ट्रिगर्स, और उन ट्रिगर्स के साथ अपने इमोशंस को नेम करना है.
Simple terms, very
Yeah.
very simple
Yeah.
terms, right? उसके बाद हमने फ्यूचर पे जाना है.
राइट.
करंट से हम फ्यूचर पे क्यों जा रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी हैव टू हैव अ गोल इन माइंड. वी हैव टू हैव अ वेरी क्लियर गोल, पर्पस, ऑब्जेक्टिव. आप उसको जो मर्जी नाम दे दो, बट व्हाट एम आई वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स, बिकॉज दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू द मोटिवेशन एंड द मोमेंटम.
यू नीड टू हैव अ गोल इन योर माइंड,
एब्सोल्युटली.
बिकॉज एज अ वुमेन कई बार हमें नहीं पता होता कि क्या करें.
करेक्ट.
क्या करें हम अपने लिए, मतलब वी डोंट हैव अ पर्पस, समटाइम्स वी हैव लॉस्ट आवरसेल्व्स इन द प्रोसेस,
एग्जैक्टली.
in our families.
Very common. Again,
Yeah.
we see that all the time. They give the way they are looking at it, उनको लग रहा है कि मैं दूसरों के लिए इतना कर रही हूँ, right? And please understand there is a little bit of psychology involved here. अगर मैं दूसरों के लिए इतना कर रही हूँ, तो जाहिर सी बात है, मुझे भी लगता है कि मुझे भी कुछ मिलना चाहिए,
Right.
राइट? एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है
Right.
दूसरों की तरफ से. बट आपको एक और मैं बात बताती हूँ. दिस इज अगेन फ्रॉम माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल एज ऑल द पीपल दैट आई हैव टॉक्ड टू ओवर द इयर्स. यू सी, प्लीज डू नॉट अज्यूम राइट, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई कीप टेलिंग माय क्लाइंट्स आल्सो, आप अज्यूम कर रहे हो कि मैंने इतना अच्छा खाना बनाया, किसी ने अप्रिशिएट क्यों नहीं किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट, मैंने इतना, आई बर्nt द मिडनाइट ऑयल, मैंने इतनी अच्छी रिपोर्ट बनाई, मेरे बॉस ने अप्रिशिएट नहीं की, राइट, और मुझे एक पैट एट द बैक भी नहीं मिला इसके बाद, देन दे फील वेरी डिजेक्टेड, they feel rejected, right, and that becomes a trigger, right. अब आप देखो, and I often tell people, ये भी एक problem है women, they are not very clear in their communication.
Okay.
They are not clear in expressing their own expectations out of the other person.
Yeah, and I think we are not clear as a woman. We are not clear in expressing our needs also. Because
Absolutely.
हम पता है पहले क्या सोचते हैं कि उनको बुरा ना लग जाए, इनको कैसा लगेगा अगर मैं ये बोल दूंगी तो क्या उनको ठीक लगेगा, मतलब I think this is a people pleasing tendency that we
Absolutely.
have inbuilt.
So मैं आपको बताती हूँ 4-5 चीजें हैं that we even research tells us, and this is a global research, not
Okay.
just Indian women, right? That tells us that we see those patterns in women again and again from one generation
Okay.
to the next.
Okay.
Okay. Number one is people pleasing, like you
Okay.
just said, right?
So सब women में people
Some
pleasing
women
में
में
कुछ ना कुछ
globally थोड़ा
percent.
frequency का फर्क है,
Okay.
but basically because historically अगर आप देखो
Hmm.
तो women have been made to be a good nurturer, giver.
Yeah.
So I think कहीं ना कहीं maybe biologically also we are blessed because we are the ones who give birth,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So हम में वो nurturing tendencies ज़्यादा है,
Right.
right? So people pleasing becomes very easy to us, right? And again, we have been brought up a certain
Yeah.
way, right? The second thing you will see that as a result of that people pleasing, there most of the women will ruminate a lot, means overthink a lot.
Oh, yes.
If you are able to relate to
Yes,
that, right?
Definitely.
I am also guilty of it, right?
Yeah.
हम सारी combinations, permutation अपने दिमाग में at any given point,
बिल्कुल.
rather than expressing के हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम बैठे वो कर रहे होते हैं,
Right.
right? So our brain is like this computer going in 20 different directions,
Right.
right?
Right.
तो analysis करना अच्छी बात होती है,
Okay.
being proactive, seeing what could happen in a particular situation is a good thing, but we have to draw a line somewhere. That line gets blurry for us.
ऑल्सो क्योंकि हमारे लिए एक्शन लेना इतना मुश्किल है, इतने कॉन्स्ट्रेंट्स है, वी तो हैव लिव्ड थ्रू इट कि इफ वी हैव टू डू समथिंग वी हैव टू आस्क, वी हैव टू टेक परमिशन.
Permission, correct.
पहले फादर से, फिर हस्बैंड से. तो हम लोगों के लिए अगर कोई कंस्ट्रेंट ना भी हो तो इनबिल्ट एक्शन लेना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
And again it is a result of that.
Yeah.
आप देखो तो सही ना how things are people pleasing है आप में. So with the result, anything that you do, you give your power away to another person.
Yeah.
आप decision making power तो किसी और को दे रहे हो, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में ये है कि I need to keep everybody happy. People pleasing क्या है? The mindset is I need to keep everybody happy. Nobody should be upset with me.
Yeah.
Right? Now that is a vicious cycle.
अगर हम चलो ऐसा कर भी लेते हैं, अपने मन का कर भी लिया, बट देन फैमिली गेट्स अपसेट. अभी फादर को नहीं लग रहा है कि मेरी बेटी को ये करना चाहिए, या हस्बैंड को नहीं लग रहा है कि मेरी वाइफ को ये करना चाहिए, तो अब उस सर्कल में से कैसे बाहर आए?
Now वहाँ पे I feel, and I've tried it myself. That is the place where your feminine powers
Okay.
come in very, very handy, right?
Right.
What I mean by that is, at the other end also, it's a human being you're dealing with,
Yeah.
or they're human beings that you're dealing
Yeah.
with, right? तो आप ये नहीं कर सकते, and यहाँ पे आके जो women बहुत rebellious हो जाती हैं, they are not able to maintain those relationships, right? So you have to come in with empathy. For example, you have to also think कि दूसरे का भी एक point of view है, उनकी भी conditioning हो चुकी है, उनकी भी एक expectation setting हो चुकी है. And एक और चीज मैं यहाँ बोलूँगी तमन्ना, especially for women who have been doing this for many, many years.
Yeah.
They've been the nurturer, they've been the provider, and उनके लिए suddenly अब turn लेना, naturally it will not be easy for other people also to adjust to that, to see that they will see a totally different side to you.
Right.
So it has to be a gradual process.
Yeah.
It cannot be आज मैंने बैठी
course.
आपसे बात की, अपना ट्रिगर मेरा चला गया and now things should change.
Of course it would be a journey.
It is a journey, correct? And so हमने बात की, people pleasing भी है, एक और tendency भी है, we give our power away, but we also have a very perfectionist tendencies.
Yeah.
आपने नोट किया होगा.
Yeah.
And that tendency also has a root. That route is, we are actually the only place where a woman is decorated is in the when she's made to believe that she's a superwoman,
Yeah.
right?
बहुत बार सुनने को मिलता है कि शी इज माय सुपर वुमन, मेन से
Correct.
शी इज माय सुपर वुमन.
घर बहुत अच्छा संभालते हैं,
हम्म.
देखो प्रोफेशन भी करते हैं,
हम्म.
बच्चे भी
बच्चे भी
संभालते हैं,
संभालती है.
इन्होंने अपने इन-लॉज को भी संभाला हुआ है,
हम्म.
राइट? एंड शी ड्रेसेस अप impeccably well. She's
Yeah.
maintained herself so
Wow.
well.
And she takes pride in that. But internally, what she's going through, we can't say that.
Correct.
And
Because
maybe she's struggling a lot to manage so much.
yes, because if you are setting a benchmark which is that high, there is a price you're paying for it,
Yeah.
right? And that price is probably your own mental health. That price is your own health, probably. That price is not spending enough time with yourself, not understanding it, right? And that is the disbalance.
Yeah.
That's exactly where the disbalances start coming. On the face of it, बहुत बार
बहुत
आपको
अच्छा.
लगेगा यार इसकी तो जिंदगी बहुत बढ़िया चल रही है. She has everything. Look at her, you know. But inside, they may not be the most most at peace with themselves. And I think that is the real crux that women have to start identifying and saying, and it's a choice.
Yeah.
Right? Do I want to continue like this, or do I want to make another choice?
Yeah.
And I my message would be that please, you do have a choice at any stage in your life.
Right.
Right? बट आप अपनी वो चॉइसेस बंद कर रहे हो या किसी और को दे रहे हो, एंड
Right.
इसीलिए आप यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ इन दैट साइकिल.
Women have a learned behavior of people pleasing, overthinking, perfectionism, and I think perfectionism is also coming from a fear of not being able to make mistakes. When you do not give yourself the chance to make mistakes.
यस.
तो फोर्थ क्या कहेंगे आप?
तो वेरी राइट तमन्ना, women have to give themselves permission, right? I would start there.
Okay.
Okay, nobody is perfect,
Okay.
right? No man is perfect, no woman is perfect, no child is perfect, right?
And there is no superwoman.
There's no superwoman. Please, please, there is nothing like that. I think it's
Yeah.
it's just a persona that has been made
Hmm.
out there. In fact, rather than taking pride in saying I'm a superwoman, one should really step back and think, what do they actually are telling you,
Yeah.
right? And what is it costing you?
Yeah.
That's very
And
important.
for men also, rather than calling
Yes.
your wife or woman a superwoman, just please know if she's emotionally well, if she's being happy doing all these things. How is she feeling internally?
So I think that is one thing which is lacking in the culture in India. I mean specifically क्योंकि हम Indian women की बात कर रहे हैं, तो we do not talk about feelings.
Yeah.
We don't have conversation even in our intimate relationships. We rarely have conversations around, okay, I said something to you. And usually if you are aware enough, आपको पता लग जाएगा कि आपकी वाइफ को या आपके हस्बैंड को ये चीज अच्छी नहीं लगी है, right? We don't talk about it.
Yeah.
We just tend to go silent.
Yeah.
Right? We don't want to touch that because हमें पता है कि maybe that leads to crucial conversations, sensitive conversations, and we don't want to go there. Again, the muscle to give yourself permission and then to have the courage to speak your mind without really thinking कि इसका बहुत ज़्यादा adverse effect ही होगा, right? Because वही मैंने कहा ना, आप एक और प्रॉब्लम है तमन्ना, which I find women they expect कि जैसे मैंने अभी बोला कि मैंने अच्छा खाना बनाया, आपने अप्रिशिएट क्यों नहीं किया, राइट? मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, इतना मैं घर पे भी करती हूँ, आई एम ऑल्सो सैक्रिफाइसिंग माई स्लीप, तो नोबडी अप्रिशिएट्स मी, राइट? आई थिंक उसमें सोच के देखो, इट इज इक्वली योर फॉल्ट as it is probably the other person's fault. And the reason I'm saying is, क्या आपने दूसरे को बताया, right? कि this is my requirement, ये मेरी need है, which doesn't mean that you become needy. उसको extreme में भी नहीं लेके जाना.
It's a human need, I would
It's
say.
a human need. Sometimes when I have worked so much, I would like a little, appreciation, right? And I have seen some women can do that very well. The ones who have become a little self-aware, they will ask, how did you find this dish today? I made it a little bit differently, right? And I think here the other side,
Yeah.
whether it be the husband or the in-laws,
Huh.
they should also be a little sensitive, right?
Yeah.
Again, if you have empathy for the other person, if you genuinely care for the other person, then your mind goes that way.
Yeah.
कि मुझे पूछना चाहिए. She's been working in the kitchen for the past 4 hours,
Yeah.
right? How is she doing, right? Does she
Yeah.
need any help? And I
Right.
think यहाँ पे मैं कहूँगी कि even the parents bring your boy child,
Hmm.
you know, a little bit equally, that it's not just a girl's domain to be in the kitchen and look after the household
Yeah.
chores. It's equally a man's domain, right?
Yeah.
So that I think we need to learn from other societies.
And then we get drained. By
Yes.
the end of the day, we
Yes.
get drained, even if we have not done anything productive. तो फिर हमारा ये क्वेश्चन होता है अपने आप से कि अ, कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ,
Mm.
यू नो, या फिर मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड्स को देखा है बोलते हुए कि मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, ऑल्दो वो बहुत कुछ कर रही है, बट वो कहती है कि मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, बट आई डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट, व्हाट डू आई वांट.
Mm.
तो वुमेन्स नीड्स हैव टेकन अ बैक सीट.
एंड सबसे बड़ी बात तमन्ना मैं यहाँ ये कहूँगी कि विमेन्स बिलीफ हैज टेकन अ बीटिंग. तो जहाँ आपको खुद के अंदर ही कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, you have you feel no power within you, and the power is not necessarily getting the end result that you desire. The power is the ability to have a choice and make a choice, right? Man, you know, there is one quote that I often give to even leaders that I work with, and I tell them, you know, there is no freedom if there is no exit in a relationship.
If there is no,
Exit in a relationship, right?
okay, can you elaborate
Yeah.
that?
Now, who are you is actually not 100% product of what you do for others.
Yeah.
Who you are is very much a product of how do you feel internally in whatever you do. So it's a lot about how am I looking at myself,
Yeah.
right? और अगर वो belief system ही आपका negative है,
Hmm.
right? Imposter syndrome वहीं से तो आ रहा है
Right.
कि women have such capable women and they still say no, मेरे को अपने अंदर खोखलापन लगता है. I don't feel I am
ओके,
accomplished.
तो यहाँ पे आपने इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम की बात की. आई वुड से कि हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए आप इसको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दे. व्हाट इज इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम?
In very simple terms, imposter syndrome means कि मुझे अगर कोई एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहा है या मेरी कोई तारीफ कर रहा है, instead of saying a simple thank you and giving yourself also a pat at the back, job well done, you actually go the opposite way and say नहीं नहीं इसमें तो मेरा कुछ नहीं था, और ये तो छोटी सी चीज थी, you know, और इसमें तो मेरी फैमिली ने हेल्प किया या टीम ने हेल्प किया. So they are not able to take a
Receive the-
recognition also where they might have actually put in the hard work. It is an imposter
So
syndrome.
the inability to receive
Correct.
even a compliment.
Correct. So instead, and I start off very simple with women who have imposter syndrome. I tell them next time somebody pays you a compliment, just say thank you or chup kar jao. Zip up after.
And also, I would like to say that there is a feeling beneath that. The feeling is कि I don't deserve it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah. Am I really that good?
वही सेल्फ बिलीफ आ गया
Yeah.
ना. You
Yeah.
आप दूसरा आपको रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहा है, पर आपकी खुद की सेल्फ बिलीफ नहीं है या पॉजिटिव नहीं है, यू विल रिजेक्ट इट.
Yeah.
And again, the deeper meaning of that is कि am you know मेरे लिए नहीं है ये, because I had a lot of help.
Yeah.
I had women are very collective by nature, right? They're very
Yeah.
collaborative. Remember those feminine powers, right?
Yeah.
While if you look at the average man out there, if anybody gives the man a compliment, he would say yes, thank you. I know I did a lot of work, you know, and they will you know say it also confidently. हाँ इसमें मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. And that is one of the reasons we see, Tamanna, even in the corporate world, why men are able to accelerate their careers. I'm not saying it's the only reason, but part of the reason why men are able to go ahead and women hold themselves back. Right?
Also, I think it is all because of a conditioning of low self-worth.
Yes.
कि दो चॉइसेस हैं, या फिर तो हम कुछ नहीं करते क्योंकि हमें अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ लग ही नहीं रही है, हमें ये बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा कि हम कुछ कर पाएंगे, या फिर हम इतना ओवरवर्क करते हैं टू प्रूव.
Yes. Absolutely. You, I think, summed it up beautifully there.
Yeah. Also, I would like to bring it to the light. जैसा कि आपने कहा कि women have a learned behavior of people pleasing.
हम्म,
हम चाहते हैं कि हर जगह हार्मनी रहे,
हम्म,
कि अगर मैं ये करूँ तो इनको भी बुरा ना लगे, अगर मैं करूँ तो मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए। बट देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम लूजिंग माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज एवरीबडी इज बिहेविंग इन अ कंडीशनड वे।
हम्म।
वो शेल को, साइकिल को ब्रेक कैसे करें?
देखो, 2-3 चीज़ें हैं,
हम्म,
राइट? पहली बात, जैसे मैंने कहा, यू शुड फेस योरसेल्फ इन द मिरर
हम्म,
with absolute honesty, transparency, and clarity,
हम्म,
right? There are certain things I think everybody is very good at, and
हम्म,
there are certain things that they are work in progress, right? So, पहली बात तो वो देखो and be very truthful with yourself, not through somebody else's lens but through your own lens, right?
हम्म,
So get your power back, get the ability to make
हम्म,
choices back to you,
हम्म।
and get comfortable in your skin of doing that.
तो आपने एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल स्टेटमेंट या कोट कह सकते हैं, देयर इज नो फ्रीडम विदाउट एग्जिट। तो कैन यू इलेबोरेट दैट, हमें संक्षेप में बताएं।
जरूर, जरूर। सो देखो, फ्रीडम आई थिंक it means different things to different people. तो अगर आप इस चीज का भी जो हम बात कर रहे हैं उसका निचोड़ निकालोगे ना, तमन्ना, तो आप देखोगे कि हर एवरीबडी इज सीकिंग सम फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरनल फ्रीडम,
या,
राइट? तो शायद मैं, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई माइट बी सीकिंग फ्रीडम टू नॉट हेयर तानाज फ्रॉम माय मदर इन लॉ,
या,
right? I might be seeking freedom from my boss not always disrespecting me in
यस,
front of my team or in front
यस,
of other people. I might be seeking freedom from, sometimes, my husband or my partner should appreciate me in public, right? तो वो freedom की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, right?
राइट,
So that is your internal, जो आपकी deep inside जो आपकी thought process चल रही है कि आप चाहते क्या हो, right? Now अगर आप देखो कि आपको किसी भी तरह का freedom देखना है, तो आपको उसके लिए कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा, राइट? क्योंकि जो आप कर रहे हो, अगर उससे आपको वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है और अगर आप वही चीज दोबारा दोबारा करी जाओगे,
राइट,
तो वो आइंस्टाइन का कोट याद आता है कि द थॉट प्रोसेस दैट गॉट यू इनटू द प्रॉब्लम विल नॉट गेट यू आउट ऑफ इट,
सो
राइट?
ट्रू,
है ना? तो आपको कुछ तो अलग करना ही पड़ेगा,
बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि वो तो आप साइकिल
बिल्कुल,
में फंसे ही हुए हो, राइट?
राइट,
तो उसके लिए आपको, आर यू रेडी टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, राइट? दैट इज द बेसिक क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ, राइट? मतलब उसका ये है कि अगर मैंने किसी भी पार्ट या फुल फ्रीडम मुझे चाहिए एक रिलेशनशिप में या एक सिचुएशन में, तो उसके लिए मुझे एग्जिट स्ट्रैटेजी एक चाहिए, मीनिंग कि जो मैं कर रही हूँ, मैं फिर वो नहीं कर सकती कि हाँ मैं करूंगी पर मेरा पीपल प्लीजिंग नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए, राइट? मेरे को एक सर्टेन क्वालिटी भी चाहिए उसमें, मेरा ट्रिगर भी नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें, राइट? अब वो पॉसिबल नहीं है ना, राइट? अगर आप कुछ और ट्राई कर रहे हो, अगर आज मैं करेज से अपनी मदर इन लॉ के पास या अपने बॉस के पास या अपने हस्बैंड से एक यू नो
कॉन्वर्सेशन,
कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू
डिफिकल्ट
कर
कॉन्वर्सेशन,
डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू करती हूँ, तो आई ऑल्सो हैव टू कॉम्प्रीहेंड कि वहां से भी, आगे से भी पुशबैक आएगा,
यस,
रेजिस्टेंस आएगी,
पीपल माइट गेट अपसेट,
people might get upset, people might not like it
हाँ,
that you are saying this, they might not speak to you, there could be silence over the next 2 4 days, 8
या,
days in that relationship, right? Now that is the point, इसीलिए मैं आपको फ्यूचर में लेके गई थी, दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड कि वहां हाउ विल आई हैंडल माई
so you
सेल्फ,
have to be okay with creating disharmony,
absolutely.
yeah,
And it will in all likelihood create disharmony because the person is used to you showing up a certain way. Now you're changing that equation, they may not like it, right? And that's fine. So pehle to, are you comfortable with creating that disturbance within yourself, getting away from that people pleasing mode, for example? Then are you comfortable having that conversation and say yes, देर इज एवरी पॉसिबिलिटी कि अगला मुझे मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे सकता है, अगला मुझे बड़ा बुरा कह सकता है, अगला मुझे डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर सकता है या बिल्कुल साइलेंट हो सकता है,
yeah,
right? I
yeah,
usually see कि when in difficult conversations people either go silent or they go violent,
yeah,
right? And
yeah,
both are extremes according to me,
right,
right?
right.
You have to strike a balance somewhere.
Also we have a need,
आ गया
maybe
ना?
we will not be called a good bahu, maybe we will not be called a good wife, yeah, good daughter, but it might make you happy.
Yes. So Tamanna, in my own work, I have found, and I come from lived experience here, that the power is not in getting the result accomplished.
Okay.
The power is in the process,
Yeah.
right? It's giving yourself the empowerment to make that choice.
Yeah.
That's how we enable ourselves.
Hmm.
You see, if you generally look at men versus women, the difference is stark.
Hmm.
Men will make their own decisions.
Hmm.
If they have to speak against authority also, they will get up confidently. I'm not saying all men.
Hmm.
Sometimes their voices also tremble. They
Hmm.
also have butterflies in the stomach.
Hmm.
Their palms also get sweaty.
Hmm.
But they have developed the confidence to speak their heart and mind out.
Hmm.
Women have to develop that confidence first
Hmm.
and then put themselves in that situation.
Hmm.
आप क्या आवाज भी
A
कांपेगी शायद.
skill of healthy communication, a skill of having difficult conversation,
Absolutely.
a skill of speaking for yourself.
Absolutely. And how comfortable are you? That
Hmm.
is the journey, right?
Yeah.
And I think if you start small, of course, you also learn in the
Hmm.
process. Eventually, people also accept you as that.
Hmm.
They understand कि इसकी boundary क्या है,
Hmm.
हम इसको कितना कर सकते हैं कि beyond that she will not like it,
Hmm.
and that is enablement, that is empowerment.
Yeah. And I think what we need to learn is कि जरूरी नहीं है we have to raise our voices for doing that.
No, not necessarily.
Yeah.
Maybe
Maybe.
the
Okay.
odd time, but again I would come back to that is where your feminine powers will really hit,
Okay.
right? So let's take an example.
Yeah.
Right? आप मुझे कोई भी एक सिनेरियो देख लो जो डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन का है. नाउ आई हैव टू हैव दिस डिफिकल्ट, आई कैन कॉम्प्रीहेंड कि ये ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. आई नीड टू स्पीक माई माइंड बिकॉज नथिंग विल चेंज.
Yeah.
आई एम गोइंग टू लूज आउट एंड एवरी टाइम आई एम ऑलरेडी लूजिंग आउट.
Yeah.
तो आप यू विल प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ, यू विल से अच्छा ज्यादा थिंक ऑफ द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो,
Okay.
राइट? ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा? माई बॉस विल नॉट
Fire me.
फायर मी. फीडबैक ऐसा मिल जाएगा कि शी इज वेरी एरोगेंट, यू नो, ये अपने आप को समझती पता नहीं क्या है, आज तक तो इसकी जुबान नहीं थी, आज सडनली इसकी जुबान आ गई. ऐसा ही होगा ना. अगर आपने मदर इन लॉ भी कहा तो ऐसा ही कुछ इसी शेप या फॉर्म में आएगा.
बिल्कुल.
और पीपल विल गिव यू सम, यू नो, स्नाइड रिमार्क्स, राइट? थोड़ा सरकास्टिक हो जाएंगे, या आपको वो किसी और से बात करेंगे आपके बारे में ऐसे, राइट? या आपसे साइलेंट हो जाएंगे, राइट? यही चीजें हैं. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, इससे ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं होगा, राइट? Now, once you have that worst case scenario in your mind, it gives you a little bit of confidence and courage, right? Now, I always tell people who, depending on where you are in that, you know, I am not good enough or people pleasing spectrum, please practice for a difficult conversation first.
Okay.
Stand in front of a mirror,
Okay.
look at yourself,
Okay.
right? How are you sounding? आजकल तो हर एक के पास एक मोबाइल फोन है,
Yes.
राइट? रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ. You see how you are sounding. Now compare if you're triggered in that moment, probably it will sound a lot worse.
And it will have a lot worse reaction.
It will, from you, from your body, right?
So we have to sound calm and compassionate.
Absolutely.
But we have to say the same thing
Correct.
that we really want to say.
And that is where, again, I'm reiterating, your feminine powers come in very, very handy. Because one, I always feel, if we talk about difficult conversation, how do you recognize that a conversation is difficult, right? 3 things required.
Okay.
Very easy. I believe in giving very practical things. Number 1, you and the other person or the other people have differing views on the same thing. Very easy.
We're not agreeing on the
We're
same
not
thing.
agreeing on the same thing, right? That is point number 1. Point number 2 is there will be emotions involved.
Yeah.
आपका भी ट्रिगर है, उनका भी ट्रिगर होगा.
Yeah.
एंड हो सकता है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व हो. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट.
Yeah.
ठीक है. और तीसरी चीज ये है कि द स्टेक्स आर हाई,
Yeah.
राइट? क्योंकि अगर आपने नहीं बोला और आप चुप रहे तो आप वापस उसी नेगेटिव स्पाइरल में जाएंगे.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? एंड हो सकता है अगर आप बोलेंगे तो दूसरे का स्पाइरल शुरू हो जाए आपके प्रति, राइट? तो ये 3 चीजें हैं बस.
Right.
अब आपने सिर्फ देखना है कि ये 3 चीजों के वन ऑन वन मैंने कैसे डील करना है, राइट? डिफरिंग व्यूज हैं, आप सिर्फ अपना व्यू एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो. दूसरे का व्यू कैसा है, यू हैव नो कंट्रोल ओवर इट, क्योंकि वो उनकी कंडीशनिंग्स है, वो उनका बिलीफ सिस्टम है, उनका वैल्यू सिस्टम है, उनकी आपके साथ इक्वेशन है, हिस्टोरिकल डाटा है उनके पास, राइट? वट एवर इट इज, राइट? सो स्पीक योर माइंड, राइट? सेकेंड थिंग, when it comes to emotions, please bring empathy into it. Right? With empathy, I mean, before you express your thought, right, you have to acknowledge the other person.
People's emotions.
So you can start off, you can lay the agenda of this conversation like this, right? Let's say you can, maybe it's a person in authority,
Yeah.
right? Because that becomes even more difficult. It's much easier when a person is on the same level. You can start off by saying, we are not seeing eye to eye on this.
Yeah.
आपका और मेरा देखने का तरीका अलग है, पर मुझे लगता है आप में और मेरे में कॉमन थ्रेड भी है. इनवेरिएबली होगा. अगर फैमिली सिचुएशन है, इट्स हार्मनी इन द फैमिली. नोबडी लाइक्स डिस्कॉर्ड ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस, राइट? अगर वर्क सिचुएशंस है तो यू आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स कॉमन गोल्स, राइट? एवरी टीम विल बी वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स समथिंग कॉमन, राइट? एंड इफ ही इज और शी इज योर बॉस, अगेन द सेम थिंग विल अप्लाई, राइट? तो वहां से शुरू करें. And you can also start off, I have seen some masterful people do even things like already preempt कि शायद अब मैं जो कह रही हूँ या कहने वाली हूँ, you will not like it.
Okay, so we have prepared the person.
You prepared the person. So थोड़ा cushioning हो जाता है वो impact का,
Yeah.
right? And you can say, I know maybe मेरे को ये जल्दी कहना चाहिए था, पर मेरा ना एक, बर्दाश्त से थोड़ा, I thought कि it is better I voice it to you. It is better I get it out of my system.
Right.
और आपको भी शायद पता नहीं है कि this is what I am feeling about.
Right.
Right? So empathy के साथ आपने अपनी एक boundary describe कर दी और आपने very assertively, not aggressively, not aggressive passively, पर आपने अपनी वो बोलनी है, नीड्स एक्सप्रेस करनी है. एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल यहाँ पे आता है तमन्ना, एंड दैट स्किल इज, आर यू एबल टू रीड द अदर पर्सन इन दैट मोमेंट? यू पे अटेंशन टू देयर रिस्पॉन्सेस टू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, राइट? आपकी टोन ऑफ वॉइस क्या है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या है, आपका वॉइस का डेसिबल क्या है, right? How is it impacting the other person, right? And let's say there is an eruption from that end because they didn't expect this. तो आप कह सकते हो, I know you are upset with me, right? And I accept that. Do not fight it. That is not the moment to fight the other person's trigger. I think this is what we need to understand. That is a moment to acknowledge your triggers as well as the other person's triggers, right? जब आप ये multiple times करोगे, right? क्योंकि crucial conversation invariably एक sitting में नहीं resolve होता unless we have a deadline over our head. Then we don't have a choice. But आपको multiple conversation, because you have to give the other person also time to absorb. आपने क्या बोला है, what is the impact of that, what could be the repercussions of that, right? So, but then you might be standing alone. So the ability to, one, read the room, read the other person, read the situation as you're speaking to this person, maintain your calm and composure, be very clear, don't get distracted by other things, especially if there is emotions being thrown at you, right? And then say, okay, maybe you need a little time to absorb this, and I also need time to absorb this. Can we pick it up maybe at a later stage where we both have had some time to think about it, right? So what I'm doing in this conversation, agar aap dekho, so I am trying to take my power back. I am not influencing the other person. My language will not be, I am right, you're wrong. But my language is, this is how I feel. And I know this is how you're feeling, right?
Right.
Can we at least acknowledge each other there?
Right.
Right? And then see how can we work together to resolve this.
Right.
And that's where you might want to have multiple conversations on it.
Okay.
Another thing, apart from these two things, is, can you build some allies?
Can you build some
allies?
Okay.
जैसे आपकी तरफ का कोई बोल सकता है, आपका कोई स्पॉन्सर हो सकता है, right? Because lot of women tell me कि मैम क्या होता है कि if we pick this up with the boss or we pick it up with somebody at home, so I am the only person standing. Right? That courage, you need to be the only person standing, right? That is the inner journey that you have to cover, inner work that you have to do. But also, can you build at least something in your favor? इस बात पे तो हम दोनों मानते हैं ना कि this is the common goal for both of us.
Yes.
Disharmony never did any family unit or any team unit any good. right?
Right.
Can we agree on that?
Hmm.
Okay, we both are
Hmm.
working towards that same goal.
Right.
I also don't like to fight. I also don't like to use harsh language. I also would like to work in peace.
Yeah.
Right? Now, that is something that the other person will not deny.
Yeah.
Right? And then you say, can we work towards resolving this?
Hmm.
In that interim period, हो सकता है कि you are the only one standing. You might hear from other people. They might say, आज तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया, तुमने बोल दिया, कैसे बोल दिया, right?
Hmm.
The other person has not taken it very
Hmm.
well. Stand by it,
Hmm.
right? Again, you don't have to get aggressive about it.
Hmm.
You just stand by it
Hmm.
because you're very clear in your
Hmm.
mind that this has to be resolved
Hmm.
with something a little bit different.
And I think it takes a lot of work to not get aggressive in such situations.
Yes.
Because most of the times we would have our own emotions. We would react to the things emotionally.
Yes.
Because we're also very involved in the process कि मुझे कैसा फील होता है तो उसमें हमारे इमोशंस कैसे ना आए
देखो तमन्ना वही बात है ना आपने इतनी देर की वो इमोशन सप्रेस की हुई है एटलीस्ट पब्लिकली
यस
राइट आपने
Yes.
पब्लिकली वो सप्रेस की हुई है आप अकेले में शायद रोते भी हो शायद अपने आप से भी गुस्सा होते हो खुद पे भी आता है वो गुस्सा
बिल्कुल।
राइट लेकिन नाउ यू आर मूविंग इनटू अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑल टुगेदर राइट तो आपके पॉडकास्ट यू नो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आल्सो समवेयर एज एन अंडरकरेंट
Exactly.
so what is transformation transformation please understand means transform
Yeah.
the form needs to change
Oh, beautiful.
right
Hmm.
if you continue with the same form
Hmm.
that how will you transform
Hmm.
the situation or yourself or the people around you right which means now examples right a caterpillar turns to a butterfly
Yeah.
it's a great example of transformation the caterpillar actually dies in the cocoon
Yeah.
and it has to change form
Yeah.
right so जब भी आप form transform होंगे
Hmm.
there has to be some mini death
Yeah.
right
And that's painful.
that's painful
Yeah.
and that's why they say a lot of people are not able to transform unless there is some deep pain inside right
Yeah.
because pain transforms you
Yeah.
it gives you the impetus to do something different
Hmm.
and lots of examples in life on that
So this is not going to be an easy journey, definitely.
I think you should be prepared. It's more than handling the other people. It's going to be an inward journey where how are you in terms of handling yourself?
But it's going to be worth it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It is empowering. It's
Right.
freeing. It's very freeing.
freeing.
It's liberating.
It
Yes,
will yeah, it will give you freedom that you really want.
correct. And like I said, there is no freedom if you don't have an exit door, right?
Yeah.
And that you have to, proactively say what is the worst that can happen,
Yeah.
and be okay with it. ठीक है, देखते हैं. And I
Hmm.
will handle it. Right?
Yeah.
There is another thing I would like to point out. Women को क्या लगता है तमन्ना कि मेरे पास ना 100% clarity होनी चाहिए.
Hmm.
अगर ये हुआ तो क्या होगा अगर ये हुआ तो क्या होगा
Hmm.
आई थिंक इन सब चीज़ों की जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कई चीज़ें विल इमर्ज इन द मोमेंट
Yeah.
यू शुड बी ओके इन डांसिंग इन द मोमेंट
Okay.
राइट
Anyway, we are dancing in the moment. Anyway, women are juggling in the process.
और अगर आपका बाई चांस इट गोज डाउन साउथ लेट्स से यू डिडंट एंटिसिपेट समथिंग दूसरे का रिएक्शन ऐसे आ गया तो उसका भी मैं आपको एक हैक देती हूँ राइट all you can say is take a deep breath, don't get reactive, right?
Okay.
Take a deep breath, maybe you want to take a few close your eyes for a few for a few seconds and just calm yourself down, and then you can come back and say I can see that you are very upset with me, right? और इसको बहुत हलीमी से बोलना है,
Okay.
right? गुस्से में नहीं बोलना है. But you have to find that voice inside you and say, I can see that what I have just said has really upset you. And I understand it.
Okay.
Acknowledgement again, right?
Okay.
Can we just take a minute here, right? Can we absorb this? Let's not say things to each other. And then what you can take is my intention was not to hurt you.
Okay.
Right? That is another very powerful thing I have seen. We don't express our intentions.
Yeah. First, we have to acknowledge the other person is going through.
Yes.
And then we have to bring our intention to the table.
Yes, because intention जो होती है ना जब आप express करते हो ना even in the most difficult of circumstances, right? दूसरे को थोड़ा सा ना reality bite आता है, right? अगर आप मैं आपको एक्नॉलेज कर रही हूँ, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं खुद की एक्नॉलेजमेंट भूल रही हूँ, राइट? वो तो मेरा पर्पस है ही है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर दीस
Yes.
कन्वर्सेशंस, राइट? तो आई माय फोकस इज वेरी क्लियर. इफ माय फोकस इज क्लियर, इफ आई एम एबल टू मैनेज माय ट्रिगर्स, मेरे अंदर से जो काम और कंपोजर फोकस तरीके से निकलेगा, that is what is going to have an impact on the other person, right? Because the person is looking at you and going, आज ये कुछ अलग है, today there is something different about her, right? If you are a silent kind, they will look at you and go, where is this coming from? How come she's so calm, composed, confident in her?
आई थिंक वो भी एक जर्नी है, वो काम, कंपोज्ड, कॉन्फिडेंट दिखने में रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क.
Yes. That's what we do in coaching, right? That's
या.
how we help people. That's
ओके.
the journey we cover with them,
ओके.
right? We take them through their triggers.
ओके.
We help them there.
ओके.
We support them there.
राइट.
We help them gain that confidence within themselves,
राइट.
right? We help them realize that it is so important to have the power of choice,
राइट.
right? Whether it be to choices to voice your opinions, to stand by what you stand by for, right? To correct the other person, or to at least manage those kind of difficult situations and dynamics, and bring that conversation to somewhere where there is more harmony, right?
राइट.
But in that process, be okay with disharmony,
ओके.
because that will come,
डेफिनेटली.
invariably it will come, right?
राइट.
क्योंकि वो कोलैबोरेशन की स्टेज को आने के लिए बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स करने पड़ते हैं, एंड देन यू विल रीच. एंड दैट इज ट्रू फॉर एवरीबडी, तमन्ना, नॉट जस्ट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन.
तो हमने आपसे सीखा कि पहला स्टेप रहेगा सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन, कि हम रिफ्लेक्ट करें कि आखिर हमें चाहिए क्या, व्हाट मेक्स अस हैप्पी, व्हाट डज नॉट मेक अस हैप्पी, क्या साइकिल हम ब्रेक करने के लिए रेडी हैं.
करेक्ट.
दूसरी चीज, हम गोल सेट करें कि क्या करना चाहते हैं. तो आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन, आई थिंक वी हैव रीच्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन. वी वुड डेफिनेटली कंटिन्यू कि और क्या चॉइसेस हैं वुमेन के पास, और क्या बिलीफ सिस्टम से वुमेन आ रही है. बट टुडे वी आर शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम, सो वी विल जस्ट सम अप.
Okay.
तो क्या मैसेज रहेगा आपका उन वुमेन को जो स्ट्रगल कर रही है मेंटली, इमोशनली, और जिनको लगता है कि दे डू नॉट हैव द काइंड ऑफ पावर दे नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस विशियस सर्कल.
तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि प्लीज, टू बिगिन विथ, माय मैसेज विल बी दैट प्लीज, अगर आप सारा दिन बहुत बिजी भी हैं, ट्राई टू फाइंड पॉकेट ऑफ 5-10 minutes फॉर योर सेल्फ. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, maybe it is in the shower, maybe it is getting up early in the morning, before the household wakes up, and just sit with yourself. Sit with your thoughts, sit with your feelings, and try not to be negative about it. Okay. Secondly, notice ke are you happy with your present life? Are you happy with the different relationships? Are you happy with how your life is turning out every day? If not, what are the small changes that you can make? Right? Baby steps, not
Yeah.
something absolutely, big and epic to begin with. Then you'd start taking those steps. First, prepare yourself. Like I said, what is my current reality? What is the future, that I'm looking for? How would I conquer it? Or how would I go about it? How do I manage it? Please understand, it is a process. It will take time. It could take weeks, months, years, who knows, right? But how are you sitting as you're going through with this process is very important.
Also, I would like to add, it has taken centuries for women to come here,
Yes,
and I think it will take some time to get, to get away from here, or
absolutely.
to break away from here.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think that power also, Tamanna, resides with the individual woman,
Yeah.
right? For example, मैं आपको empower नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
I can guide you, I can support you, I can encourage you. पर in the end करना तो आप नहीं है,
Yes.
right? आप देख लो, that is the reality of life.
Yeah.
Right? So मैं, a lot of people come with all kinds of goals and they say, ma'am, I want to lose weight, for example, right? Now, if you want to lose weight, somewhere everybody knows,
Hmm.
right? You have to watch your diet and probably मोबिलिटी आपको थोड़ी इंक्रीज करनी पड़ेगी,
Yeah.
राइट? अपनी अब आप ये एक्सक्यूज लेके मेरे पास अपने ट्रेनर के पास नहीं जा सकते ना कि मेरी मम्मी खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है,
Hmm.
मेरी वाइफ खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है, राइट?
Hmm.
हमारे घर में बहुत अच्छा बनता है,
Hmm.
देसी घी में बनता है,
Hmm.
राइट? यू विल हैव टू चेंज दैट।
Yeah.
इफ योर गोल इज, इफ योर फोकस इज देयर,
Hmm.
तो आपको कुछ तो उस एनवायरनमेंट में अमेंड करना
Hmm.
होगा ना, एंड यू हैव टू बी ओके विद इट।
Hmm.
सो जो मैं कह रही हूँ कि इन दैट प्रोसेस,
Hmm.
even if you're standing alone,
Hmm.
find the courage to stand alone.
Hmm.
If you need support, there is
Hmm.
support available,
Yeah.
right? You should have some like-minded friends, for
Yeah.
example, you can talk to, maybe some relatives of your own age you can open your heart and mind to. There is professional help.
Yeah.
There are coaches like me, there are therapists out there if you need therapy, right? Or there are self-help groups, there are self-help books available
Yeah.
galore these days. There are a lot of TED talks on
Hmm.
confidence and courage, lot on women issues,
Yeah.
right? बहुत है, आपके
Hmm.
पास बहुत चीजें हैं, but the crux of it is, can I give 5-10 minutes to begin with,
Hmm.
to just spend with myself
Hmm.
and to keep my clarity and focus? Maybe that will also take you weeks to get
Hmm.
to a certain stage, but say कि मैं चाहती क्या हूँ?
आई थिंक ये सारी कॉन्वर्सेशन का क्रक्स जो है वो यही है, इसीलिए हमने इन मुद्दों को उठाया ताकि हम 5, 10, 20 साल बाद रिग्रेट ना करें कि काश मैंने ये बोल दिया होता, काश
Exactly.
मैंने ये कर लिया
Correct.
होता, आई वुड लिव माई लाइफ डिफरेंटली.
And Tamanna, I'm very happy you said that, because it's a very interesting, जाते जाते एक research quote करूंगी कि there is a research conducted every year, right? And it's a research both on men and women, of course, working men and women. And this is a research published by Harvard Business School, and they look at women and men in different stages of life, different decades of life.
Okay.
तो 20s में वो कंपैरिजन करते हैं, 30s में करते हैं, 40s में, 50s में, like that, right? It's very interesting. And it's the same survey
Okay.
that goes out to the men and women,
Hmm.
and it goes on to their teams as well. So it's
Okay.
180 degree, as we call it in management terms, right?
Okay.
Right? क्योंकि आपने किया और आपकी टीम ने किया आपके ऊपर. In the 20s and 30s, the men rate themselves much higher than women.
Okay.
They have much more confidence.
Hmm.
We're not talking about performance.
Hmm.
We're talking about self.
Hmm.
Okay. So they feel they are better managers. They
Hmm.
feel they lead better,
Hmm.
right? And women will usually rate themselves lower.
Okay.
अगर आप टीम्स का कंपैरिजन करो,
Hmm.
ऑलमोस्ट सेम आता है,
Hmm.
कोई इतना स्टार्क फर्क नहीं
Hmm.
होता. 40s में जाके आप देखते हो कि ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल हो जाता है.
Hmm.
मेन एंड women are rating themselves almost equal,
Hmm.
right? 50s or 60s में जाके the equation turns.
Okay.
Women rate themselves higher now. They are
Okay.
much more confident in their skin.
Okay.
They have gone through a lot in terms of
Hmm.
experience. They have learnt a lot.
Hmm.
And they reach a stage where
Hmm.
they say, okay, अब आओ मुझसे बात करो. I
Hmm.
know where my boundaries are. I
Hmm.
know what I want.
Yeah.
My message is, why wait till the 50s and
Oh
60s?
yeah.
Right?
Beautiful.
Why can't you do it in your 20s and 30s?
Yeah.
And take everybody along
Yeah.
and lead a more harmonious life.
Yeah.
You don't have to have 20, 30 years of prime life in pain
Yeah.
and suffering.
And if you have lived 50 years, please teach your daughter
Yes.
to be that voice in her 20s.
Absolutely. And also teach your son
Yeah.
that please
To
respect
cooperate
women.
with that kind
Yes.
of a girl.
And collaborate with her.
Yeah.
Because, you see, in my opinion, a marriage or a partnership is not a power game.
Yeah.
It should
Right.
be a collaborative effort,
Yeah.
correct? And together you have to create something which is much bigger than what each one of you can do
Yeah.
individually.
Yeah.
So, वो mindset shift है एक.
Yeah.
And then you work towards it. And you both are happy.
Yeah.
Everybody is happy because you will create something which is much more than what you could have done initially.
And ultimately, you are going to create more harmony for
Absolutely.
yourself, for internal harmony as well as
And you're going
external
to
harmony.
also create a lot more success.
Yeah.
Whether it's relationship success, whether it is material success, whether it is harmonious success,
Yeah.
whether it is happiness,
Yeah.
right? Recently, the research came out, India is very low on the happiness index,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Because people are not happy.
Yeah.
And that's why we are seeing shapes and forms of that come out in different relationships.
And
Let's
that's why
work.
we have come up with such kind of conversations.
Absolutely. I think awareness is step number one.
Yeah.
I hope even if this helps one person out there, I will feel that we have done justice to this.
Definitely. And coming from such a powerful woman itself, It's so empowering to hear from you, and it is so enlightening to
Oh, thank you.
realize that we have a choice.
We do. And that's my message. My final message would be this: empowerment comes with recognizing that you do have a choice. So
Yes.
do exercise that
Yes.
choice. Okay.
Thank you, Coach Navneet Sandhu.
You are welcome. It's a pleasure to be here.
It was so good to talk to you. It was so healing to talk to you.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
That's so sweet of you. And I wish you
Thank
all the
you.
best.